everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you are good and I hope you are keeping safe. Okay, so today's video is going to be a quick and simple hairstyle on natural 4C hair. Just a very simple one. So if you'd like to see how I am able to do this, keep watching. And for those of you who are new to this channel, my name's Joy Waba. Okay, and to do this, I'm going to be using my cream, that is grease, and also spray bottle. Inside this spray bottle, I have almond oil, and I'm going to use a red tail comb for parting. I may or may not use that. And also, I'm going to be using wool to thread the hair. And also, I'm going to be using this Afro cap to fascinate the hair, yeah, and scissors for cutting. So guys, if you'd like to see how I am able to do this, keep watching. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to spray my hair with water and oil. That is what I have inside the spray bottle. Okay. This is going to help to keep the hair moisturized. Remember that the best moisturizer in this world is water. So this will help me to manage the hair better, okay? Because you don't want to work on your hair when your hair is dry. No, you don't do that. Okay, guys. All right. Okay. All right. Basically, guys, what I did to achieve the hairstyle, yeah, I put my hair on African threading hairstyle first before styling it. Yes. So right now I am trying to detangle the hair to make it more manageable before threading it, and that's my cream. You can use any cream that works for you. Remember, what works for you might not work for me, and what works for me might not work for you. So always know what works for you and go ahead and use it. Okay, so right now I am trying to detangle my hair using just my fingers. Yes, because my fingers works better for me than comb or brushes. Okay, yeah, because it helps me feel my hair better, bringing out the knots, and so on. So right now I'm trying to just bring out the shed hairs. Yes. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, and also if you feel the hair needs more cream, go ahead and use it, okay? Yes.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Now Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
Do not worry about the cream you are seeing on the hair, okay? That is going to disappear when the hair gets dry.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Tonight, oh, tonight. Yeah.
Yeah, I will go in and use more cream, that's my grease, whatever you call it, on the ends, because I wouldn't like my hair to get dry at the ends. And this is African threading method, okay? So one thing you would never like to do is the hair getting dry. Okay, so and that grease will help do that. I hope you understand the trick there. What I did was just take the 2-strand twist I had in the front and put it at the section, and I'll just thread them together, as you can see. Now I am done threading the hair and I'm so happy about it. So right now I'm going to show you 2 ways that I used the afro cap. So that's what I call it. Okay, so the first style I packed my hair in the center, and the second style I pack it at the side. Oh my god. Oh, it looks so nice, I think.
And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California.
Okay guys, so that will be all from me today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you really do me well and share the video with your family and friends, and let me know what you think about this video at the comment section. Do you really like this, or is there anything you feel I should have done to make it look better? Okay guys, I will see you all in my next one. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you like what I do here. Okay guys, see you all in my next one. Bye.